Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Road King Special, and this one is in vivid black. Those taller handlebars are really comfortable, puts you in a nice seating position. The wheels are just absolutely gorgeous, and we have the dual disc braking and ABS front and rear. Everything is on top of that 114 cubic inch engine, which is completely blacked out, including the exhaust, which is Vance & Hines. Beautiful saddlebags. We also have a passenger backrest. And miles on this bike are really low. We are at 6,755. Really clean bike, great condition. Also has the heel toe shifter up here. Really clean bike again, 2019 Road King Special, vivid black. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.